Hi guys, Maria here again, and today we have a very exciting video where I'm going to explain to you exactly how to build a UGC portfolio that actually gets you deals this 2026. If you want to become a UGC creator this year, you are going to need a great portfolio that pretty much speaks by itself, that automatically answers questions for brands and makes the hiring process for you quicker and better. By the end of this video, you're going to have your own portfolio from Canva that will look absolutely amazing. The best thing is that it's free and that you can start working even if you have zero experience as a UGC content creator. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So before we jump into Canva and we start building your portfolio, there is an important question you need to ask yourself, and that is which brands you want to work with. Of course, as an UGC creator, you can work with different types of brands and different industries, but when you're just getting started and at the beginning phases of your UGC career, I would recommend that you pick at least one or two niches that lets you focus completely on that industry and become a master on what you do. So, think about what you enjoy doing. Let's say it's skincare, makeup, fitness. Select one niche, and if you don't have any proof that you have created UGC content before, simply start creating content with the products that you have at home. A great portfolio should have between 6 to 12 videos that represent your work and that show clients what they can expect from you. But please don't get discouraged if you don't have those videos yet. You can create them later on in the comfort of your own house with products you already have in your bathroom. After you have your videos ready and saved into your computer, we're going to go ahead and start working in Canva. Now, today I am going to be using Canva Pro just because I use Canva for everything. It has amazing templates, amazing features and designs that I use every single day. And I think with the Pro version, you do get a lot more. And the pricing is actually very good for what you get. So in case you guys are wondering how Canva Pro works, we're going to leave a link down below so you guys can check it out and see the difference between just a simple free version and Canva Pro. All right, so the first thing we're going to do here is go to templates and we're going to type in UGC portfolio. Now remember that the magic of Canva is that you have thousands of templates that are already made and created for you that we just need to customize and make our own. That's the beauty of Canva. You don't need to start from scratch. You can actually just simply start scrolling down and seeing which portfolio you like best. So I'm going to go ahead and find one that I kind of like, that reflects who I am, that has like a good vibe to it. And keep in mind, something that brands actually want to open and interact with. So guys, keep in mind that you do need to select a template that works as a website. If you don't select a template that works as a website, it's going to be impossible for brands to click the link and actually be able to play the videos. Instead of going to an actual website, they're going to go to a Canva presentation, and you don't want that. So just keep that in mind to search for a UGC portfolio that is a website. How you know that is you will see this little icon right here with the 3 dots. Okay, I really like this template. I think it's very creative and different from what I've seen in Canva. So I'm just going to go ahead and use it. In case you guys want to use the same template, just simply search for bold UGC creator presentation. And this template is by Selvine B. So what you're going to do is click on customize this template. The great thing about templates is that half of the work is already done for you. Here we're going to start working with our first page, which is going to be the most important one. Remember that your cover, page 1, is literally your opportunity for this brand to pay attention to who you are and what you can offer. So make sure that you select a template that has a great first page that you can, of course, customize and make your own. So the first thing I always like to do is to remove any information that I do not need. For example, this is all words that I'm not going to be using. And in this case, I'm going to bring this a little bit up and I'm going to name this, change it to my name, which is Mar. Perfect. I'm going to select my name now and I'm going to move it a bit closer to the UGC creator. And I actually want this to be a bit bigger. So I'm going to go right here and I'm going to create it a little bit bigger. Now here, you guys, is a great opportunity where you can add your socials. As you can see, the template has like the little at, so you can add your own social media page. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Presentation 2025, I think that's not necessary at all. I'm going to delete that and we can keep this. I like the numbering of the pages, so we're going to go ahead and keep that. I'm going to delete this website as well, and I'm just going to move this a little bit to the left. Perfect. Now we have a cover page. Obviously, this picture is not me, so I'm going to go ahead and delete those pictures simply by clicking on them and selecting delete. And I'm going to upload my own pictures. Now, it is important that you have good professional pictures that reflect you as a content creator. I'm going to show you a quick example of what I mean by this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my own picture. I really like this one right here because it just shows me with my little matcha working with my camera and my computer. That also shows up front to the client that I have equipment or material to work for them and to create nice videos. So what you can do is simply ask a friend to take a couple of pictures of you, like if you were filming or working. It doesn't have to be professional. These pictures were literally taken downstairs in my own building by my dad. So you guys have no excuses. I'm going to find another picture to fill this space right here. It could be maybe this one. And I'm going to center it by clicking on it and dragging it down. Okay, so we have our first page. Now we're going to move on to the second page, which is also very important, but I don't want you guys to stay hours thinking about the right words or what to put in here. People just want to know a little brief introduction of who you are and what you can do for them. Don't write a long paragraph explaining everything about yourself. Just keep it short and sweet, and trust me, that's going to be a lot better. Here we're going to be answering who we are and what we do. Something that we can do to make it a little bit simple is to write a little paragraph and then go to ChatGPT and ask it to make it better. I'm going to even leave a small little prompt right here so you guys can use it. And that will literally cut the process in half. But remember, keep it personal, keep it human. Like, you don't want to sound like AI. So this is how I answered the question. I said, I'm a polished, dependable creator with a strong on-camera presence and attention to detail. I produce quality UGC that feels authentic, relatable, and brand safe. That's important. Now, to answer what you do, simply focus on the niches that you want to start working with and talk about it. Be yourself, use AI if you need to, and then let's go ahead and move on to page number 3. Now, this template is a little bit more professional. As you can see, it's talking about software skills. I don't want any of that. What brands want to see nowadays is your work. So I'm going to delete any type of information that we don't need. And here is where it gets interesting because we're going to start adding our videos. So for the title of the pages where we are going to be adding our work, you have two options. You can either put like video number 1, that's an option, or you can add the brand's name. So maybe you created a video for, let's say, Coca-Cola. So I'm going to add the name of Coca-Cola. And right here at the bottom, I'm going to add a small little text. So add a little bit of text body. So you select text, add a little bit of text body, you move it right below it. And I'm going to type what this video was used for. So I'm going to say TikTok paid ad. Now remember that this is optional. If you haven't worked with brands yet, just simply don't add any of this. And you are going to add the video right here. How are we going to do this? We're going to go ahead and on the left, we're going to click on uploads. We're going to go to upload files and we're going to look for our video. Once you have your video ready, click open, and it might take a few seconds to upload, but after that's done, you're going to be able to see your video right here under files and under videos. So I'm going to go ahead and select the video. I'm going to wait a little bit until it loads, and I'm going to move it a little bit to the left. Okay, another very important part here, guys, is that you need your videos to have audio. To make sure that your videos work and have audio, what you're going to do is select your video and you're going to click on audio tools. Now here we're going to select first enhance voice. This is a pro feature. In case you guys are not using the pro feature, it doesn't matter. But it's always great that your videos have crisp audio and that brands are able to hear it correctly. So I always do that. Then you're going to click right here on volume, and you're going to make sure that you click on balance all. This is going to make sure that the volume plays correctly and it's not too low or too high. Something else that I like to do on my videos is to use the stroke style. This is going to give like a little borderline to your videos. I like to make it a little bit small, and you can change the color if you want to. Right now we're working with kind of like an orangey color, so I'm going to pick that, even though orange is not my favorite color, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So now that we have our video ready, we have a lot of space right here that we need to utilize. Now, if you have already experience as a UGC creator, you can simply add the statistics of this video, like how it went, how many likes it got, comments, and all that stuff. If you don't have it, maybe talk about the video, how you made the video, why you're interested in working with this brand, for example, and why the video is different and has your own personal touch. So I'm going to go ahead and add my analytics right here. So I'm simply going to go to Instagram, TikTok, get a screenshot, and upload it right here. Okay, now that I have grabbed my statistics, I'm going to make them a little bit bigger by dragging out the corners, and I'm going to center it right here. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller too. And we're going to do the exact same thing that we did before. We're going to use stroke style, and one is perfect. Okay, guys, so here we're going to repeat the exact same process with different videos that we have. Remember that you need at least 4 to 6 videos to start. If you have more videos and you are already a pro as a UGC creator, you can even add up to 12. I think more than 12 is enough. It's actually perfect. So go ahead and add your videos, add the analytics that you have, or if you don't have them, simply write a small text. And then we're going to move on to our last page. Now here, the template is asking us for strategies. Yes, we can use this. I think it's important that you talk to brands about what your strategy is and how you approach UGC, but it's also optional. So I'm just going to leave it like that. If you guys want to add some strategies and how you are different from your competition and what you can bring to the table, feel free to do that. I'm going to leave this as it is, just changing this picture, of course, because that's not me. So I'm going to find a picture of myself and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Remember that to add pictures, you simply have to select the picture and drag it into the template image. Now here, I'm going to put my name, Mar, and always remember to delete the unnecessary stuff that the presentation has. I'm going to change this background color because as you can see, page number 6, the one right before this one, is the same color. So I'm going to change it to a different color. I'm going to stick to gray orange. So under services, you guys are going to talk a little bit about what you're going to do for your client. So you can simply have 2 to 3 services where you explain how you're going to turn your UGC content into actual sales for your client. Because remember, that's all clients want. They don't want a pretty video. Most of the times, they don't really care about that. They want a video that is good enough to convert that video into sales. Here, I'm going to simply change the images to my own pictures. Use images where you look professional, but that also reflect your personality. I'm a pretty goofy girl, so right here, I just added this one picture that my friend took of me. And this picture right here shows my computer and like a little smart girl. So be smart and strategic about the images that you're going to use. And obviously the videos, which are the most important part. And now we are on our last page. This page is gold. Here you're going to add your Instagram, your TikTok account. If you have YouTube, add your YouTube channel as well. You're going to add your phone number. You're going to add all the information that brands are going to then use to reach out to you. And you can even add, some people do it, I don't recommend it, but you can even add your address because at the end of the day, brands are going to need your address to send you products, but you can obviously send that privately. It's not necessary. And also, you don't want your last page to look super tacky and full of information that is going to be hard to read. Keep it small and simple. You can add a catchier phrase. Connect with me sounds a little bit boring. It could say something like, let's work together, something fun, something light, something that reflects your personality. And after you add your socials, your phone number, and your email, you are done. It is that easy. It might take you an hour and a half to complete your portfolio, but trust me, it is worth it. All right, guys, now that we are done, it's time to publish our portfolio website. All right, you guys, once you're done, simply click on publish. It might take a few minutes until your portfolio website is ready to go up. Once your portfolio website is up and running, what you can start doing is emailing brands or even DMing them with the link to your portfolio. Of course, always add a brief introduction about yourself. And trust me, if you do a great job and you follow this step-by-step tutorial, you're going to close some deals and you're going to become an amazing UGC content creator this 2026. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. If you made it all the way into the end of the video, congratulations. You probably have an amazing portfolio. And if you are disciplined and you're constant, you're going to get some good brand deals. Remember, please, to like and subscribe to the channel. This is a channel dedicated to you and helping you grow as an entrepreneur. So thank you again, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.